across the street. They have a plum tree, and they brought me a bunch of plums. How pretty are these? If I can get them up. Yeah, so I'm making plum jam today, and I thought maybe I'd bring you along. So this might be kind of a long video, so bear with me. So what I did was I dumped the plums in here, just a strainer, and I washed them off, and I'm using a rag to wipe off the white stuff on them. I don't know what that is, but I always wipe them off. And wiping them seems to be the only way to get this stuff off. Anyway, till they're nice and pretty and shiny, and put them in there. And when I get done with that, I'll bring you back. Okay, so I've got them all cleaned up. And all I'm going to do is cut them around like this. Break them in half. And maybe I should cube them up a little bit. I'm just going to cut them in half and then quarter them, and then toss them in the pot. Hi. Well, I got busy and forgot to turn the camera on. What I've done is I got all the plums cut up, and then I got to thinking I didn't want all that real skin stuff. Big chunks of plum skin in there. So I ran it all through my juicer, and so now basically all I've got in here is juice. Oh wait, you can see that, a lot of bubbles still. But what I'm going to do is dump a little bit of this pulp that came off of it back in, because it's really small and I don't think it'll cause a problem. It might look kind of pretty in that jar. So I'm going to dump some of that back in, and then I'm going to start it cooking. I've got my sugar all measured out, and I'm ready to go. My sugar gel, and I'll let that cook until it comes to a boil, and then it'll boil for about 5 minutes. I'll dump the sugar in. Pretty, huh? Get it in the jars. Yay! I got to get my water bath can or this thing going right now. So I'm just going to fill it with some water and get it on the stove. Okay, I've got my vinegar ready to pour in here to wipe the edges of the jars down when I'm done filling them. Got my ladle out, my funnel out, my water to can them in, and here's the juice. It has to come to a full rolling boil. That won't stir down. So we got a ways to go yet. Sugar's ready to go in. You don't put the sugar in until after it's come to a boil, and then you boil it for, bring it back to a boil, and boil it for 1 minute with the sugar in it. What else is going on? Nothing, I don't think. I'm tired. My legs have got the shakes because I'm hurting. I don't know why I do this to myself. Yeah, I do, because plum jelly is good. Almost there. Okay, it came to a full rolling boil, and I already dumped in part of the sugar. Now I'm just dumping in the rest of it. So I'll just get this stirred around, bring it to a full rolling boil again, and boil it for 1 minute. Okay, we've got our full rolling boil, and I started my timer for 1 minute. When this is done, I will take it off the heat, pull my jars out, and start filling the jars. And yeah, I've already tasted it. It's pretty good. Oh, there's my timer. I'm starting to fill jars. Do not forget this warning. Don't get this stuff on your hands. It is hot boiling sugar, and I guarantee you it will not be comfortable. Okay, the timer went off, and I'm pulling my jars out. From my altitude, which is under 300 feet, was 10 minutes processing time. Now yours will be different depending on your altitude. Whew, hot in here. Hot, hot. Ding, ding. There we go, that's it. So I got 13 half pints and 6 pints. I think I had 10 pounds of plums. Really pretty. There we have it. That was today's project.